Genetically modified organism use in animals is leading to much controversy. Is it safe? Is it humane? Can GMOs harm animals, and if so, how? Unfortunately, the answers to these questions are negative. GMOs in animals cause massive amounts of harm and very little good. They help save food production companies money, but that is where the benefits end. Genetically modified organisms are organisms such as plants and animals that have their genes changed in order to produce more food for less money. However, GMO use in animals cause mass extinction threats, changes in DNA, and destruction of the body. A major issue with GMO use in animals is the deaths of bees and butterflies. Bees and butterflies are the Earth's major pollinators. Without them, the human population cannot survive. They pollinate plants that provide food for us, as well as the animals we eat. Without pollination, we have no food. This is a problem because scientists have been noticing colony collapse disorder of bees, butterflies, ladybugs, and even some birds. The cause of these mass deaths? GMOs in plants. When the pollinators land on plants, they pick up the toxins. These toxins are deadly to the insects and are resulting in colony collapse disorder. This is ironic because GMOs are said to help produce more food, but without the ability to have these plants pollinated naturally, producers are actually losing food. Therefore, GMO use is unnecessary and very harmful to the insect and bird populations. The production of GMOs is in itself inhumane and unnatural. A gene that is not originally in an organism's DNA is added to it. This is a problem because it can cause many mutations in the DNA. Promoters used to get the genetically modified genes in plants working may also accidentally cause genes that are not meant to be used at that time to start working, causing major harm to the plant's production. This harms the animal that eats the plant because there's less nutritional value to the animal and causes the animal to eat dangerous toxins that it would otherwise not be exposed to. The body's major organs are also severely affected by GMOs. The data from one study clearly underlines adverse impacts on kidneys and liver, the dietary detoxifying organs, as well as different levels of damages to heart, adrenal glands, spleen, and hemostatic systems, recorded Gil Eric Seralini, a molecular biologist at the University of Caen. Another study that examined pigs who ate GMO corn and soy suffered from stomach inflammation on a much greater scale than those not fed GMOs. Scientists are also finding genetically modified organisms are causing reproduction issues in pigs and cows. Dairy cows also are getting botulism, and pigs are suffering from viral diseases, bloody bowels, and rickets. Before eating genetically modified organisms, these animals are healthy. After, they are very ill. If given the choice, animals will decide not to eat genetically modified food. Many farmers are switching to non-GMO feed because it makes their animals stronger and overall healthier. There is a decrease in problems like mastitis issues. They are also finding increased milk production and better quality milk, eggs, and meat. If you want healthy animals, put them on a non-GMO diet. They will gain weight faster, their health and reproduction will be better overall, says David W. Nelson, president of Minnesota-based Petagenus, Incorporated. Animals are not the only ones being affected by genetically modified organisms. The changes in DNA and damaged internal parts are also being found in humans. When people eat food, processed or unprocessed, that have either been genetically modified or made with genetically modified ingredients, people suffer many negative consequences. Toxins from GMOs have been found in women's blood, according to one Canadian study. Not enough is known about GMOs to qualify them as safe, and signs are linking them to cancer. There is also evidence that they are behind the gluten allergies in America. Monsanto, the major biotech company, has a toxin called glyphosate. This GMO is leading to many problems such as birth defects, autism, Parkinson's, and Alzheimer's. Knowing the dangers, many countries have already banned GMOs. Why is the United States not one of them? With evidence of GMOs being the cause of these diseases, it is imperative for people to be aware of these studies to show true results that there is absolutely no proof that GMOs are safe for consumption. Genetically modified organisms are unsafe for both animals and humans. They cause major changes to DNA of the animals that can be very harmful. They are also causing colony collapse disorder in bees and butterflies, our major pollinators. Also, they damage animals' bodies and negatively affect their health and production. Is the destruction of the bodies of these innocent animals worth it to save food producers a few dollars? Ask yourself this next time you buy a genetically modified product.